We're following breaking news as well about the economy. The Federal Reserve just announced it will keep interest rates unchanged. It is the sixth time in a row America's central bank has decided not to change rates as it continues to try to combat inflation. NBC News business and data correspondent Brian Chung is here once again to break all of it down. Brian, I think we have this conversation every few weeks now. What does this mean for people at home?
Yeah, well, I mean, again, the news today is that the Federal Reserve did not do anything to interest rates. They didn't raise them. They didn't cut them. They just kept them the same, which means that the relatively high interest rates that you're seeing on your credit cards, on your auto loans, on your mortgage rates are going to remain elevated in the absence of the Federal Reserve cutting interest rates. And the big reason for all of this is because, well, inflation isn't quite yet at where policymakers want it to be. We're still feeling that pinch at the store on a daily basis. So the Federal Reserve noting in its policy statement released just a few minutes ago that, quote, inflation has eased over the past year, but remains elevated. Translation, mission not yet accomplished. That's the reason why they haven't yet cut interest rates, Kate.
So mission not accomplished. Is what they're doing, is what the Federal Reserve doing against inflation working? Do we know?
Well, by all measures, it has already had an effect because when you consider the yearly rate of inflation, again, how much have prices risen on a yearly basis, that rate was somewhere closer to 9% in the summer of 2022. The most recent measure is about 3.5%. So the Federal Reserve during that period of time was raising interest rates to try to take this economy down a few notches by deliberately making it more expensive to consume and also to invest. So the Federal Reserve is saying, all right, that's great. But again, the Fed's target is 2%. 3% is not yet there. That last mile is what they're concerned about.
Yeah, and the next time the Fed has a chance to lower rates, I think will be in September, right? So right in the, is that right, or is it every month?
They have a few meetings between now and September, but market pricing expects that they will likely not cut interest rates until maybe around the fall.
I see. Okay, so, what I wanted to ask is that's right in the middle of the presidential race if we're in September. Does the election factor in at all with the Fed?
Well, the Federal Reserve is an independent agency, and even though its chair is appointed by the president, they are not beholden to whatever the president wants on interest rates. But yes, certainly when you take a look at the timing of that, yeah, that could be close to the election, but Federal Reserve Chairman Jay Powell, who, again, was appointed by Donald Trump, not even by President Biden to head this central bank, is likely to say we are just looking at the timing and looking at the data. That could be when that interest rate cut would happen. But I want to emphasize, Kate, anything could change. It all depends on the data. When we came into 2024, expectation was for that rate cut maybe to happen in June. It really depends on the data.
Right, and they do look at it every month. So we'll be back 4 weeks from now, Brian, talking about this again. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.